everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to add link to TikTok Bio 2023. This is a very easy tutorial and all you have to do is to watch this. Launch your TikTok application, go to your profile, and click the three vertical lines here or what we call hamburger icon. Go to settings and privacy. Now click account and tap the third one, which is switch to business account. Click this one. Now all you have to do is just click next. Okay, welcome to this account. Click next. If you want to learn about your audience, reach more people, click next. Click continue and then choose a category here. It's up to you. For me, I'll choose arts and craft. Click next and then you can add your email or you can just skip. It's up to you. And then click create now or maybe later. Now profile completed. All you have to do is to go back to your profile and then you can see here edit profile. Tap this one, scroll down until you see bio. Tap add a bio here. Now you can paste a link here, a link from your social media platform, let's just say from a YouTube account, from a Twitter account, Facebook account, or Instagram account. You can edit or you can even add some emojis or emoticons. Everything is up to you. Let's just say I want to add hearts here. And then once you're done, all you have to do is to click save and go back to your profile to make sure that you added a link to your bio. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.